Look for a fall color right now. We just aren't seeing it very much. In fact, if you want to see it, you've got to go to far northern Indiana, where there is some patchy reports of fall foliage currently. We are seeing a couple trees here in central Indiana, but for the most part, most of it's off to our north. And one of the reasons it's been slow to progress as far as seeing the fall colors is it hasn't been very cold. Our normal frost is occurring right now. Well, we see no signs of frost coming at least through the middle of the month, if not even longer, because we are going to stay very warm. In fact, we're talking late July-like temperatures as we go through middle and end of the weekend. Even into the weekend, we could see temperatures running 12 to as much as 18 degrees above normal here in central Indiana, and that could also bring heat indices our way into the 90s. By the way, we've only had 2 hours in October through the end of the year since 1942 of a heat index hitting 90 degrees. It was back on October 4th, 1951. Well, right now it looks like we could hit 90 on Wednesday for a heat index. Also low 90s Thursday. Make that Friday and Saturday, and even into the weekend and into early next week, we could have heat indices into the low 90s. We're not done with summertime heat just yet. Guardian radar right now is quiet. We are watching for the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms to develop later this afternoon as a cold front is beginning to move into central Indiana. Behind it, temperatures start to cool off. In fact, right now it's in the upper 60s in Rensselaer. You head to Lafayette, temperatures right now are sitting in the low 70s. So as we head through the afternoon, a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms to pop up along this front. You can see by 3 o'clock we start to see a few isolated showers developing. By the rush hour heading home from work, by 6 o'clock we could have some showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms out there. I'm not expecting any severe weather out of this, just some heavy downpours if you get caught underneath it. And by 9 o'clock, just a couple of scattered showers around the area. By around 10 o'clock, most of the rain should begin to end around here. So probability of rain, we're talking about a 20 to 25% probability by middle to late afternoon, and then heading towards the evening. Notice how it drops off. 5 computer model average suggests right around 1/10 of an inch of rain. Right now in central Indiana, or at least in Indianapolis, we've got 79 degrees. Winds are out of the southwest, helping pump up warmer, moist air. Dew points right now are in the upper 60s to low 70s. Air temperatures in the 70s to lower 80s. That's taking our heat indices into low 80s right now. Notice Lafayette 75, 73 in Kokomo. Temperatures not warming as much to the north. A high of 75 in Peru, 76 in Lafayette. Head to Muncie, 82 for a high, 83 in Indianapolis, 85 for a high in Columbus, and 85 as well in Bloomington before the front moves through the area. 7-day forecast shows 87 degrees coming in for Wednesday afternoon, 80 by Thursday, mid 80s as we head towards the end of the weekend. Temperatures into the upper 80s as you head towards the weekend. Notice record highs possible on Friday and coming close to it Saturday and again on Sunday. A high of 89 degrees Sunday afternoon with heat indices into the low 90s.
All right, so maybe